How to practice C++ and C# exercises on Cyberdojo. C++ and C# are great for learning structured programming and object-oriented concepts. And let's see how to do it on Cyberdojo. Select C++ or C# from the language drop-down above the editor panel. Pick an exercise, follow the instructions, and code your solution. Use run test to check functionality and debug errors as they appear in the output panel. Focus on understanding memory management in C++ and class structures in C#. It improves your coding foundation. Do you prefer C++ or C# for coding exercises? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can practice C++ and C# exercises. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.